I got the harness out, at least the factory one that it came with. I had to pop out the intake manifold because it's all tied under here and along the back here. So there's a ground. I'm gonna just ripped off. But yeah, it's pretty simple to take off. Surprisingly, man, these Toyota motors were built pretty good. Pretty good. But yeah, just gonna go. I'm gonna clean it up a little, and then gonna bring the other harness and start putting it on. All right, got it cleaned up a little bit better. I mean, I'm happy with it. It's a little bit greasy down under here, so I just went ahead and sprayed some degreaser and used a toothbrush and pretty much just scrubbed it all down. I think it looks a little cleaner. Clean this little nasty spot right there. I mean, it's not 100%, but I'm a little happier with it now. Time to install this on the motor. Alright. Oh, that was a little rough. Dang, look at this long bad boy. This thing is long. Holy so my camera died putting the harness on, but it's actually really nice. I definitely recommend the Wiring Specialties harness for the 240SX on the 2J. If anybody's doing that kind of swap, I definitely recommend it. Everything's plug and play. The loom is actually really nice. It's kind of hard to tell, but it has like this sleeve, I guess you would call it. I'm not sure what it's called exactly, on the main harness, and it's really nice. Everything plugs in exactly where it needs to be. You know, depending your setup. I just got the OEM harness to plug right into the factory chassis harness of the car. Oh, the camera's just acting up right now. But yeah, it's really nice. But I think I'm about to be dropping it in here in just a little bit. Hopefully, I'll show you guys when it's in. All right, got it in. Woohoo! It's a lot more difficult to put it in than it is to pull it out. Got it done with the help of my brother over there. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. But it's in finally. Just need to bolt up the motor mounts and the transmission mount. It's getting dark. I'll probably end up doing it tomorrow morning. But she's in and ready to get everything connected and start driving. I'll keep you guys posted.